Welcome to Palette. In this video will I show you how to swap faces in Photoshop. Please like and subscribe before we start. Duplicate the layer of the face that we are going to swap by using the keyboard shortcut Command J. We're going to use the lasso tool to select the face from our source. Then copy it by using shortcut Command C and paste it on the target file by using the shortcut Command V. We need to resize and position it. We will do that with the free transformation tool, shortcut Command T, and to see it better, we're going to reduce the opacity. That looks better. When done with transforming, we will select the pixels of our face. Select Layer and press Command on keyboard and click on Layer. Open Select menu and choose Inverse. Open the Select menu again and choose Modify and then Expand. 6 is good for this, but that depends on your image size. Inverse it again in Select menu, or you can use the shortcut Shift Command I. Make the face invisible by clicking on the eye on your layer. Select the layer with the body and delete. Deselect the selection by using the shortcut Command D. Make the face visible again by clicking on the eye and select both layers. Last step, open Edit menu and choose Auto Blend Layers, select Panorama and then click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you on next tutorial.